In this video, you'll learn how to keep Microsoft Teams active using a simple and easy method. If your Teams status keeps switching to away or idle while you're still working, this guide will help you stay available so colleagues know you're active and reachable. Let's get started. Microsoft Teams automatically changes your status to away when there's no keyboard or mouse activity for a short period of time. Even if you're reading, reviewing documents, or working in another app, Teams may still mark you as inactive. One easy way to keep Teams active is to use a scheduled meeting or call. Open Microsoft Teams and start a meeting with just yourself. You can do this by going to the calendar, clicking Meet Now, and joining the meeting. Once the meeting is running, your status will remain available or in a call as long as the meeting stays active. You can also minimize the meeting window and continue working normally while Teams stays active in the background. Another simple method is to keep light activity on your computer. Periodically moving your mouse, pressing a key, or switching between applications helps prevent Teams from going idle. Even small interactions can reset the inactivity timer. If you often work in other apps, keeping Teams open in the background instead of minimized to the system tray can also help maintain your active status. For users who step away briefly, manually setting your status can be helpful. Click your profile picture in Teams, select your status, and choose Available. This lets others know you're present, although Teams may still change it later if there is no activity. Keeping Microsoft Teams active ensures smoother communication, fewer missed messages, and better collaboration throughout the day. That's how to keep Microsoft Teams active using a simple and easy method. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.